Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about PDF editor online. In this video, I will show you how to insert handwriting signature into your PDF without any stress or for free using this particular free PDF online tool. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and make sure you come to your address bar right here. Go ahead and come to this particular website, pdf2go.com, hit enter key on your keyboard, and it's going to take you to the particular web page right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on all tools. Having clicked on all tools, next thing you want to do right here is to scroll down and then make sure you go ahead and look for sign PDF. Click on that and then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is upload your PDF right here. Go ahead and click on choose file. Having clicked on choose file, the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and locate where you have your PDF file. So I have my PDF file right here in my desktop. So I'm going to use this particular PDF file and then I will click on open. So just like so, we have the PDF right here. As you can see right here. I have the PDF right here. Now let's say for instance we want to add the signature right here and then we already have our signature. So here we go. I'm going to bring out my signature right here. So in my download folder, I have my signature right here. This particular signature, I want to add it to this PDF. So what we want to do here now is to go ahead and we click on set up signature right here. Next thing we want to do is to come down below right here, click on upload. Then we can drag and drop the signature right now. So I will drag and drop the signature right here. Just like what you see right here. Go ahead and click on close. And the signature is going to upload right here. Just like what you see right here. Next thing you want to do is to drag and drop the signature right here. Then position it where exactly you want to have the signature to be. Just like what you see right here. It's that simple. Once you are done, go ahead and click on save right here. And next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you click on download right here. Then go ahead and click on save. Then you can also export as different type of file. Click on here, export as JPEG, docs, or click on more right here, which allow you to see more way by which you can export the file as the case may be. So I'm good with that. Next thing you want to do is to click on here now. The PDF is still download. After a successful download, we can open the PDF right here, just like so. We have it right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.